Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Nebraska and looking for a field guide which focuses about birds mostly found in Nebraska? If you're looking for a bird book that specializes on birds in Nebraska, then the Birds Nebraska Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. This field guide is a real pleasure since it is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Nebraska. Learn and identify birds in Nebraska by using this field guide, which is prepared by Stan Tequila, to show you the different beautiful birds which are found in Nebraska. Full-page color photos are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. It is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. Enhance your knowledge about birds with this easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. Nothing beats having information about the nature and the lovely birds. You can have the Birds Nebraska Field Guide today at a very affordable price, and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Nebraska. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.